Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to edit sent WhatsApp messages after 15 minutes. You cannot edit a WhatsApp message after 15 minutes. WhatsApp strictly enforces a 15-minute limit for editing sent messages. If more than 15 minutes have passed, your only option is to delete the message for everyone. So open WhatsApp and go to the chat, tap and hold the sent message, right? You can select edit, right? And for Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select edit. For iPhone, tap edit directly from the pop-up menu. Make your changes and tap check mark or the send button to update it. Note, a small edited tag will appear next to the timestamp for the recipient, but they will not see the original text. Now, since you cannot edit that text after the 15-minute window expires, you can retract it completely. So tap and hold the message again and tap the delete or trash bin icon, right? And hit the trash bin again. And you're going to see an extra option, delete for everyone, right? Instead of delete for me only. So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.